Oh, what? The novelty's worn off for you? Oh, are you bobbing? He's bobbing a little bit there. Oh, come on. You were bobbing with it last night. Twink, twink, and Robin. Oh, rockin' Robin, I'm really gonna rock tonight. Oh, he's climbing on the back of my neck. Come on. Watch those claws. Or talons. Come here. Well, maybe. Oh. Come here. Hey, come here. Looky, who's that? Who is that? Oh, come on. Say hi. Who is that handsome fella? Come on. Yeah, you like that? Oh, look, look, look. You're now. It's.
I gave him my cookies.
Who is it?
So we fell out during finger paint.
Who's that boy?
So one day,
Who is that?
that was Monday. I stepped up to her and I said,
He does like music, guys. Maybe I can if I play something here. He likes to get right there on my chest, too. Usually he's facing right at me, and I will wrap my hand around him, around his body, and see how he's tucking his head? He will tuck his head under my fingers, want me to rub the back of his neck and that. See that's how he does. That's like, see how he's tucking his head under my fingers? It's like he makes my hand into like a little nest or something when I wrap it around his little body. Yeah. Aww. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Mm-hmm. Give me kisses. Oh, there we go. I don't know if he caught that very well. Give me kisses. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. Yes, I love the kisses. Oh, thank you. He loves to peck at the back of my neck and my ears. I think what it is, I just got a haircut yesterday. And I think maybe I still got a little bit of sprigs of hair that maybe the stylist missed, and he's picking at them. Hey, come on. Who? Come here. Oh. Chickasaw. 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 Who's a beautiful bird? Are you a beautiful bird? Please ignore the Spider-Man curtains in the background. This bedroom used to belong to 2 kids, and I just haven't bothered to change the curtains. I'm thinking of crocheting some of my own because I'm kind of picky. I mean, I don't want some light getting in right now, so yeah, I'm leaving them up, but I really don't want to leave Spider-Man up there. Do we like Spider-Man? Well, we like Spider-Man, we just don't like him on our walls. I'll show you who we do like on our walls. Let's go say hello to who we like to have on our walls.
My hair's standing up. I could feel something was about to happen. It was major.
You see that? That would be Loki. A fan art drawing of Loki. And guess what? Chickasaw, what was I originally going to name you, huh? What was I originally going to name you? Loki. Yes, I was going to originally name you Loki. But what did I do? I decided, no, I'm going to name you Chickasaw. Because we're part Chickasaw Indian in this family. Uh-huh. And how often do you hear that? Yeah? You love me? You love me? Huh? And look at his head. I swear, Mom says we should have called him Chief. Because he looks like he's wearing an Indian headdress. Like the Indian chief would wear. And I was like, well, call him Chief Chickasaw. But I'm calling him Chickasaw. Yeah, hear Cheyenne and Cherokee. All that all the time. But how often do you hear that name? That's why I named him that. And he's my baby. Yes, he is. He is my baby. Chickasaw. Chickasaw is the cutest little birdie in the whole wide world. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Huh? See, he'll snap at my fingers, but then he'll tuck that head right under. It's like he's saying, pet, pet. That's what I want, is for you to pet my head. And I used to have parrots when I was little, and we did not have a bird that would snuggle like this one does, wanting his head pet like this. I have never seen a bird like this, ever. I think I got the pick of the litter when I chose him. And I think, he's being a little turd right now. Stop it. Chickasaw, you need some training. Yeah, you need some training. Oh, you going to play with my hair now? Is Chickasaw going to play with my hair now? Huh? Go ahead. It's okay. Ain't going to hurt me none. Aw. Yeah. Are you going to say hi to the nice people? There you go, tucking that head in, saying, pet me. I have never seen a bird that does that. Never. We had 2 parrots as a little girl. Those were my mom's parrots. They weren't mine. They were my mom's. This one's mine. And he's a cockatiel. My parents got rid of them when I was probably about 6 years old. And we didn't have any parrots after that. But then, they got me this little guy for Valentine's Day. He's my early Valentine baby. Yep. Yeah, and he definitely is my baby. He is. If I go to leave, he'll start this little cheep thing, cheep. And I'll tell him goodbye. When I'm coming home, he'll hear me coming home. He knows I'm coming home and starts just screeching. We've nicknamed him Screech. And I'll have to say hello when I come in. He doesn't like Mom for some reason, do ya? Now, you'll hiss every time she passes by. But she loves watching you play. Yes, she does. You get to doing acrobatic tricks in your cage. Now, be nice. And Mom used to raise parakeets when she was a little girl. So it's not that she isn't a bird person. She loves birds. But for some reason, this little guy does not like her. But he has taken up with me. And I've been trying to teach him, Mama. Mama. Can you say Mama? Well, he hasn't even started speaking yet. Not too long ago, I thought I heard him say Mary. Did you say Mary? Huh? You're always hearing that here. Huh? But you need to say Mama. 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 Oh, now you're going. Oh, show your rear end to the camera. That's really nice. Okay. We don't want to see Chickasaw's rear end. We want to see his cute face. Yes, we do. He's sitting right on my chest. It's like my chest is a good little nesting place for him. He'll walk down there on his own. Sometimes he'll get on top of my head. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can you say Mama? Give me kisses? Mm-hmm. Aw, thank you. That was a good kiss. Give me another kissy? Hmm? Give me another? Huh? You're going to give me another kiss? Hmm? Mm-hmm. Kissy? Look, Snuggles. Snuggles, Snuggles. He's a good snuggler. Yeah. Yeah. And see, when he does this with the fingers, he's not even biting down. It's like little taps, really. But he has bitten. Trust me. He has bitten. Like when he gets really aggravated, he can bite hard. But that there, I think that's just him saying, no, don't touch there. You just pet me where I want you to pet me. Oh, thank you. That was a good kissy. Yeah. See, I think that's him saying, don't touch there. I want my head. Because that's his favorite place. Yeah. That's his favorite. See how he tucked it right under that finger. Yep. Kissies? Thank you. I think we ought to say goodbye now. Say goodbye? Can you say goodbye? Huh? Yeah, well, we'll work on that talking, don't we? Yeah, we'll work on that talking. I love you. Oh, he's so good at kisses and snuggles. Oh, he's let me oh, you're sweet. Yeah, that's my baby.